We're gonna make our own Labubu from scratch. Because it's sold out everywhere, so we're just gonna make our own. I haven't tried to make a keychain yet, but I think we can do this. At least I hope. For this project, I got myself some tools for the clay. And also got different types of Fimo, but I think we're gonna use the hard one because this one looks more like their faces.
So first things first, we have to form and do the face. And this was actually a bit harder than I thought, so I used the clay and tried my best to form the face. First, I shaped the face with my hand, and I also had some tools that I used to make it more adorable, more realistic looking. I tried to speed the video a bit up because it actually took way longer than I thought. So first I kind of sketched how the face should look like, and then I used the tools to make it more 3D looking. Then the hands and the feet. Oh my god, this took me multiple tries and I was going to give up, but in the end it worked out. Somehow it's not perfect, it doesn't look like the original, but I don't care at this point. It looks okay, so I just go with it. See, looks fine. And I think the hands are kind of adorable, to be honest. Then I also used my nail file to make the feet a bit more sharp and dangerous looking. And then we're gonna sketch the face. We're gonna draw the face on, which was also a lot of fun. I also pulled out a picture of real Labubu just for reference. Then I got acrylic paint and started painting the face as well. This took also longer than I thought. I also decided to give my Labubu purple eyes and a red nose because I thought it's cute and it kind of matches the season. After I finished the face, I had some matte and some glossy vanish, and I just sealed everything that I draw on basically. So I made the nose and the eyes glossy, and the mouth I made matte, and I just left the rest of it. Let's not forget the blush, and then we went to the fabric store to see what actual color we get. So I got pink and this grayish color, but I went with gray. And then I decided to make the pattern myself as well because I couldn't find anything online. And yeah, this is how the pattern looks like. So I cut everything out, and yeah, I had to do some stuff multiple times because I didn't like it or it didn't fit. And then I started by gluing the face on the fabric because there was no other way to do this. I also made the back of the face and the ears because I wanted to finish the face that day. And yeah, I'm gonna show you in a second how it looks like. So this is how you should put the ears in order to make it look how it's supposed to look. And then you're just gonna sew around it. You also leave a little hole down there to, flip it inside out. And yeah, because I didn't like it, I literally redid the whole face because you saw how it looked like. And then after that was done, I went straight to doing the body, the legs and the little arms, and I use a chopstick. Yes, it's more convenient that way. Here I finished up the legs, the cute little legs, and here I'm making the arms. Actually, this was a lot easier than I thought, but basically because I just did a little bit more freestyle and I didn't really look at the pattern, to be honest, for the arms because it just worked out that way. And yeah, this is how I tried to assemble everything and see if it fits and it looks good. And I also used super glue or second glue. What is it called in English? I don't know. Anyways, I put it together with this special dries and second glue, and it starts to look really cute. And then also the little legs, or I mean, it's just feet. So the little feet. Yeah, these are the feet, the hands, and the head, and this is the body, and it starts to look so cute. And then I assembled everything. So first the head onto the body, then the feet or the legs, and lastly the arms. Then I also decided to attach a little chain instead of this ribbon thing because I thought it just looks better with my Labubu. And I also decided I want to put on a little Labubu charm, like a tiny version. I could have made this myself, but no thank you. I was so impatient the last few hours that also my final result doesn't look as good, but from the front it's actually pretty cute.
And this is the finished Labubu. It's so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. It's not perfect, but it's cute.